So you're being asked to choose the function with the least slope. So we've got four functions here. Now, don't worry about f of x, r of x, g of x, s of x. Don't worry about these being different letters. Remember that that's nothing more. Function notation just replaces the y. So this is really the same as y equals these things. That letter doesn't mean anything, so don't let that trip you up. Now, these equations, what we want to do is look at slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. So the coefficient of x is the slope, which is what we're concerned about in this question. And the b represents the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay? Now we're only interested in the slope. So if I look at answer A, the coefficient of x is 2. So this one has a slope of 2. And we're looking for the one with the least slope. B, there is no coefficient on x, but when there isn't a coefficient, there's really a 1 there. So x is the same thing as 1x. So the slope on this one would be equal to 1. Now C, there is no x here. So that means that the slope is 0. Because if you had 0 times x, that would be 0. The x would go away. So if you don't have an x, that means that your slope is 0. And then D, the coefficient of x is 3, so the slope is 3. And so you can see the answer is C. So this was testing you to make sure that you understood slope-intercept form, and also that you understood if there wasn't an x, that meant your slope was 0. So keep up your hard work, and you will master the